Our subject is calcium in our tap waters and the problems that follows that. In Denmark, the subsoil water's calcium level is really high, which results in that the calcium level in our tap water is high as well. If the calcium level is really high, the water will be referred to as hard, and if the calcium level is low, the water will be referred to as soft. The problem with having a lot of calcium present in our tap water is that people's electrical kettles and other objects will very quickly become calciumized. The calcium content in the Danish stratum is very different, so whilst Western Jutland essentially doesn't experience chalk taps and tubes, the western part of Copenhagen fights to lower the calcium level, which is way above what the authorities recommend. A rule of thumb is that a millimeter calcium on a heating element costs 10% extra in power usage. This will also affect the emission of CO2. Because the high level of calcium makes the various machines work a lot harder than they would have to if the calcium level was low. Copenhagen Energy has begun uniting other large water suppliers so that they can solve this problem with calcium in our tap water. Jens Andersen, who is a production leader, says that removing the calcium will be good for both the environment, economy, and energy extraction. Jens Andersen explains further that you can test the calcium levels with your electrical kettle. The calcium sits on the electrical kettle's heating elements. This means that the kettle needs more energy to heat up because it first has to do the scalding. You have to change the water to soft water because it also will remove the calcareous deposit in the tubes.
A lot of people try to remove the calcium with soap, and this results in calcium soap, which you can see here in the PowerPoint. When you do this, some grey substance is made which is insoluble, and the soap ions binds to the calcium ions and it creates a salt that is not easily soluble. In Denmark, the authorities allows a calcium level in our tap water which our neighboring countries would never allow. A way to get rid of the calcium level in the water is getting an ion switching plantation. When water goes up through the layers of earth, the calcium attaches, and this can lead to too much calcium and creates coatings in the tubes, faucets, on tiles, on clothes, and create bacteria. This is expensive stuff, and it costs 6 times as much to pump water through the tubes if there is calcium. At this pace, a warm water plantation can become 10% less efficient. However, such an ion switching plantation can cost up to 1800 crowns, which is roughly about 2,421 euros. But Søren Fogdal says that it's worth it. The clothes become much softer, your hair becomes softer, and your skin becomes less dry when there isn't calcium in the water. However, you can also try and use magnets, because magnets makes it harder for the calcium to bind. However, magnets doesn't work all the time, and it depends on your house/apartment. And in Sweden, Germany, and in Netherlands, they use a softening unit which prevents lime coating.
Oh my god.
That has